Abhidhamma Sangha. Abhidhamma Sangha was written in the 11th century AD by Anuruddha Thera. He was a native of South India. That is definite. He wrote 3 books. In another book, he wrote that he was born in Kanchipura, South India. So he was a native of South India. When he wrote this book, it is believed that he was living in Sri Lanka. And in that small book, all the fundamentals of Abhidhamma are treated. If you are familiar with that small book, that is the key to all of Abhidhamma Pitaka. You can open on any Abhidhamma book, read it and understand it. It is so precise and so comprehensive. I mean, this book is enough for us to understand the books of Abhidhamma. It is the most popular handbook for the understanding of the fundamentals of Abhidhamma. It is now an indispensable guide for Abhidhamma. Whoever wants to understand Abhidhamma should first study that book. There are other books too, but not as good as this one. It is still a textbook for beginners in Burma and other Theravada countries. With regard to Burma, it is accepted that Abhidhamma became very popular subject with Burmese monks. Abhidhamma became very popular subject since the introduction of Buddhism to Upper Burma in 1057 AD, about 1044 AD. There was a king called Anuruddha. Some of you may have been to Bagan. At that time, there was a debate from the best form of Tantric Buddhism follows there. One day, the king met a monk from southern Burma and was converted to Theravada Buddhism. Later, he managed to get sets of Tipitaka from the Thaton kingdom in Lower Burma. From that time on, monks in Bagan and the rest of Burma jumped into the study of Theravada Pitaka. Theravada Pitaka with great enthusiasm. The study of Abhidhamma became a popular subject. It is still very popular in Burma. Many treatises are written in both Pali and Burmese. In 1968, the Burma the Buddha Sasana Council printed. In 1968, the Buddha Sasana Council printed a Burmese translation of the first book of Abhidhamma. In the introduction, the list of books available or the list of books written by Burmese authors is given. There are as many as 333, some in Burmese, some in Pali, written by Burmese authors. That shows how popular Abhidhamma is with Burmese monks, especially. Night lessons. And then there are what are called night lessons. They are found only in Burma. Some books of Abhidhamma have to be learned at night. That means we learn it during the day. At night, we go to the teachers and recite what we learned during the day. The teacher explains difficult passage, or if we have made mistakes, he may correct them. Actually, we have to learn from the teachers without light. There is not enough light to read. We do not take books with us. We learned the subjects during the day. Then, we go to the teachers and recite. Then we ask questions, and so on. Some portions of the first book of Abhidhamma, the third book, the sixth book, and the seventh book are the subjects of night lessons. That is why I think Burmese monks are more familiar with the topics of Abhidhamma than monks from other countries. We have this tradition of night lessons. It is still going on. The Abhidhamma is a compulsory subject for every monk, novice, and nun in Burma. If you are ordained and going to be a monk or a novice, then you will be given that book. You will be asked to learn it by heart before you know what it is all about. It is a compulsory subject. Every Burmese monk or novice or nun knows Abhidhamma. Also, many lay people study Abhidhamma. They even write books on Abhidhamma. They are teaching their brothers and sisters. So they are lay people teaching lay people, not monks only teaching lay people. There are examinations in Abhidhamma and so on. English translation of Abhidhamma Sangha. I said, we will be using Abhidhamma Sangha hereinafter referred to as manual or its translation for this course. There are 3 English translations of the Abhidhamma Sangha. The first one is called Compendium of Philosophies by Yu Chiu Chan Ong. It first appears in 1910. The introduction to this book is very good. Different Abhidhamma topics are discussed and explained in it. It alone consists of 76 pages. The second book is called Abhidhamma Philosophy, Volume 1 by Bhikkhu J. Kashyap. It first appeared in 1942. It is another translation of Abhidhamma Sangha. Number 3 is a manual of Abhidhamma written by Narada Thera. Narada Thera. It first appeared in 1956. I used this book for my Abhidhamma class until now. Recently, another book appeared. This is Comprehensive Manuals of Abhidhamma, hereinafter referred to as CMA. We will use this book as a textbook for this class. It is actually a revised edition of the Venerable Narada's book. At first, the editor thought they might have to edit only a few places. As they went along, they found they had to do extensive editing. Actually, it is almost a new translation of the Abhidhamma Sangha. I have a personal attachment to this book. The charts I use here included in this book and are acknowledged in the introduction. Another monk who helped edit this book is my friend, Dr. Abhidhamma. He lives in England. I think up to now, this is the best handbook for the study of Abhidhamma.